We are. Hello? Anybody there? Can you hear me now? Welcome in. Good Wednesday, weird, wonderful, wild, wacky Wednesday. Hello? What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. FOMC, be careful. Yeah. Steve T, John, Marlon, David, Brandon Lee, Christy. Welcome in. Ivan, Carlos, Ryan, Job, Elk, Braxton, Matucci. Welcome in. Maddie, welcome in. Alan, keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly Bean, hello. What do you know? ES New. Can we show that anywhere? Where is it at? I'll come over here and show it. ES New Trader. Let's go. There we go. ES New box seats. ES New green. $1,000. Keep tapping that screen. Let's get some people in here. Let's get pumped up. Let's get hype. Let's get it going and showing and flowing for sure. What are you doing today? Fernando, more than winning. James, Chris, welcome in. Adrian, JV, Hyper, Birdman, Steban, Absinthe, Money. Hello, welcome in. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. My name is Kyle. I'm your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. What time is FOMC? In about an hour. 2 p.m. Eastern, I believe, is when it starts. 2-5 baseball. Marisolita, Randy Fletcher, Chance, Tom, welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? $250 for the box seats algorithms for the first 2 weeks, $1,000 a month after that. We're in this trade right now, green $1,000. So this one trade would have paid for your whole month. This is called ES New box seats. We already are green on NQ New, $350 on one mini contract, and NQ Early, green $225 on one mini contract for the day. That's over 600, well, 575. Pato, Bobby, Team Jason, Bite Crew, welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? Thank you for being here on this weird, wonderful, wild, wacky Wednesday of FOMC. Be careful if you're still trading. I am done for the day. We're just going to let the algorithms run and play and take it away. We'll see if Lauren wants to go live with us here. Nothing yet from the boss lady. Right now you're watching ES New. Box seats is the algorithm. ES New is the strategy. It's green $775. See if I can flip over to it over here and see where it's at. ES New. ES New. There we go. I don't know where the stop loss and take profit is on it for some reason, though. It's invisible. But that's okay. Let's see, NQ later took a loss. That's why we turned that off. Good thing. Good thing we didn't trade that today. That's part of the spreadsheet. We pretty much tell you which strategies to run each day, so you can see. Okay, but you can have. Hey, you can get whatever you want. If you want something else. A lot of new people in here. Jack, Drew, Ash, NQ, Edwin, Saska, Morales, George, Jason Bourne, DBJ Trades, JNK Heavy, Jamar, Pistol Pete, Barry, Abraham, welcome in. Santa's in a trade. Let's see if we can catch up with him. There you go. Santa's in a short here. I'll show you him. Keep tapping that screen. Let's get some people in here. Good afternoon, Barry, Brent, Nothing, Ryzen, Andrew. Hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. 2-minute warning. Paul, Jury. Hello. Welcome in. Good afternoon. Do 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 do. Bow, 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 bow. Prophet Genius, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. I'm live on TikTok, YouTube, and the Purple app. If you haven't followed me on the Purple app, please go do that for me. It's free if you have the Purple app. I'd appreciate the follow over there as well. Felipe Torres, welcome in. Good afternoon. Ray, what do you say? What's happening? Queen Baliks, welcome in. Hello, hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Keep tapping that screen. Let's get them likes up over 1,000. Bring more people in. It is just now 1 o'clock on the dot. FOMC in 1 hour. We are shutting down all manual trades from here on out. No more manual trades for us for the rest of the day. We made our money this morning. Caught that bounce off of a key level that's given to you in the student group. Hey, what do you say? You lovely people today. It is a weird, wonderful, wild, wacky Wednesday. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you hanging out. Just keep smashing that screen. Tap, 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 tap. If you want more information on the algorithms, please just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. It's right there on your screen. Otherwise, if you want access to the box seats algorithms for the special price of $250 for the first 2 weeks, email me, BoldBotInfo@gmail.com. John Porter, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. I need to get somebody who's better at this streaming stuff to help me out with all the cool effects and everything. Dominique, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. You're watching BoldBot, guys. It's a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. If you want more information, just email us. Let us know. We have a digital mentorship class that teaches you how to manually trade. We have premium algorithms like the one you're watching. Actually, this is on box seats, so that's part of the standard algorithms. But we do have premium algorithms. We also have manual alerts. If you want to try those out, it's $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. Already given out today a 20-point move. So yeah, that would have been $400 you could have caught right there on one mini contract. Think FOMC will bring us down. I don't know. It all depends on what the news is, right? If they say that they're going to do a 25-point cut or whatever, it'll probably go up, right? But if they say it's going to stay the same, it might drop back down. You never know. It's too dangerous for me to trade. Let's just put it that way. Unless I'm flipping evaluations right now, I'm not touching it. but they've been going up all day, so who knows? Let's see if the one and only Beautiful is awake here. I don't know what she's doing. Said she was going to hop on, but she might make a little one's home sick. I'm around. I don't know if she's coming on tonight or not. She might be taking care of her live with Kyle for a bit later. Yeah. Who knows? If she messaged me, we'll put her on here. Gotta keep my eye out. This is ES box seats. It is part of the standard algorithms that you get for the $250 for the first 2 weeks. And then it's $1,000 a month after that. It was already up to $1,000 in this trade. Now you can stop it at any point if you want to and take your profit. That's the good thing about it. It's 1:04 p.m. Eastern time. Let's see. Santa's in another trade. Let's see if we can flip back over to here to Santa. He's in another short here. Guaranteed green. You can see the stop loss is below the entry point. He is in a short. Green $140. Locking in $75 worth of profit here. How many trades does it take? Depends on what strategy you're talking about, Braxton. Santa could take 30 or 40 trades a day if you let it. Otherwise, the different strategies all have different amounts of trades they can take. For example, the ES box seats one I was showing you here, this one will only take 1 trade a day. The NQ early could take 2 trades a day. The NQ new could take 2 trades a day. The NQ later could take 2 trades a day. Those are the box seats ones. But all that information is given to you when you sign up. But certain algorithms can take more than others. It just depends on what strategy you're talking about. But Santa, he could take a lot. And usually he does really good on FOMC if you let him run during FOMC. He can catch those big runs and reversal patterns, and so that's why I'm interested to show you. But he might not start until later. But it looks like it's getting a little crazy right now. Let's switch back over to him. Yeah, look at that, $400 on this short. 400 now on this short on NQ Santa. It is part of the scalper algorithm, part of the premium now, I think. But yeah. So yeah, you got to be careful using Santa. He could take a lot of trades for you each day, but if you run it on 1 micro, you could even do good. It's only risking $20 a trade on 1 micro. So how much is the premium? It's $1,500 a month. But it gets you access to all 8 algorithms and the premium manual alerts. The only thing it doesn't get you access to is the student group. You have to take the digital mentorship to get access to the student channel and the morning Zoom call, the student play of the day, the proprietary chop zone, and the key levels that you get when you join the digital mentorship. All right, we're moving down here back to 19,850. We'll see how far they want to pull this back. Could come all the way back down here to 19,800. JAJP, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Keep tapping that screen. If you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, till your fingers turn green. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it on this weird, wonderful, wild, wacky Wednesday. Appreciate each and every one of you hanging out. $465 now on this short on NQ Santa. NQ Day Waves is also in the same trade. It's green 450. I can try and pull that over here if anybody's over on YouTube watching. I can show you 2 for 1 here. Two for 1 on YouTube and the Purple app. If you want to switch over to the Purple app, you can see more than what's on TikTok. Or if you want to follow me on the YouTube, it's just BoldBot. But the Purple app, I'm showing NQ Day Waves and Santa at the same time, and they pretty much got in almost at the exact same price. Both of them green over $600 now on this short. And welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Well, John, I think maybe this might have answered your question, even though it hasn't started. There's your big drop, right? This could pull back all the way to 800 here. Still a little bit of room left. Got to be careful around 817, 820. But it is moving down. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Big old drop here. That's 2 different algorithms, 2 different strategies. Both got in the trade at about the same time here. Both green close to $600. That's $1,200 on the day. You could be done if you had it on one mini contract. Braxton, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. If you don't know what the purple is, guys, it starts with a T. And then it has a W and an I and a T and a C and an H in it. So if you want to go follow me over there, it's same name, swag_show_Kyle. Just look me up and follow me on there. I appreciate it. 2 for 1 on Wednesday. Both of them got in about the same time here. 0.75 difference in price entry. Both green over $500. NQ Day Waves on the years green over $8,000 right now. The one on the left that you can't see on TikTok, but you can see it on the Purple app and on YouTube. If you're over on YouTube, make sure you click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell a friend. Robert, what's happening? How are you today? Thank you for being here. ES New is still in that trade. It's still green $487 on ES New box seats. $800 now on both of them. Look at this drop. I told you it could drop all the way to 800 here. Could drop all the way to 800. Wouldn't be surprised. Looks like this could be the start of a big head and shoulders here. I wouldn't be surprised if it dropped to around 800 and then kind of bounced back up. So be careful. Like I said, I'm done trading for the day. You got to stop when you're at your goal. But these are just the algorithms running on their own right now. You're getting to see two of them on YouTube and the Purple app. Only one on TikTok. Oh, she's busy helping somebody right now, so I thought she was ready to come on. Some comments in this live were filtered to protect the community's experience. Well, thank you very much, TikTok censorship team. I appreciate you. $1,000 on both of them right now. This is crazy. This is crazy. Cash Farmer, welcome in. Jacob, hello, hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Keep tapping that screen. Thank you guys for being here so much. I appreciate you. You're watching BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. Guys, if you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Also, you can email me, BoldBotInfo@gmail.com, if you want access to the box seats algorithm that are $250 for the first 2 weeks, and then $1,000 a month after that. So it came all the way down to that 19,810 level, and then bounced right off of that, which is on the VWAP pretty much, a little bit below. So at what time you make the live? I go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Time. But we have Jen, we have Ben, and we have Lauren. They go live every day as well. So the BoldBot team and family, we go live like 5 times a day on TikTok. So make sure you follow me and then follow all the people with the BoldBot name that I follow. And those are the people that go live every day, Monday through Friday for you, showing the algorithm in work. Jules, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. RJ, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follows, guys. Appreciate you. If you don't follow me on the Purple app, I'd greatly appreciate a follow over there as well. If you have the Purple app, I know a lot of people don't, but that's okay. Here we go down to 19,805. I told you guys it could go all the way down to 800 here. A long time ago. I said that at the beginning of the stream like 20 minutes ago. I told you 20 minutes ago it could go all the way down to 800 here. And then we'll have to see what happens around this 800 level. So be careful. This is not trading advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is for you to watch me make a fool out of myself. Sometimes do impersonations. Sometimes I sing. You know, we're just here to have a good time. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube as well. It's under the BoldBot main page. Just search for BoldBot. And we're live on there as well. On the YouTube main page. It's Lauren's page. It's the business page, not my personal page, but that's where I'm live at. So, yeah, they're both doing great. Dominique, if you could see here, I'll pull this other one in. They pretty much got in at the exact same time. So this one here, this is NQ Day Waves. It got in the trade pretty much the exact same time as Santa. So I have 2 trades that are over $1,000 each right now on one mini contract. I just need to get better, Robert, at doing all the cool animation stuff with the like when somebody follows you or somebody gifts you something. I don't know a lot about streaming, really. I've been doing it for maybe 6 months, but I haven't really like looked into buying any of the extra equipment needed, or I don't know enough about how to set up my channel over on the Purple app and stuff to get you guys the cool effects, but I'm trying. I might learn, someday. Who knows? If I start doing this more full time, right? Jeffrey McDaniels, welcome in. 1,200 now on both of these trades over on NQ Day Waves and Santa here. 1,100. That's $2,200. And where did it bounce at? Where did it bounce at, guys? Right there at the 19,802. What did I tell you? I said it could come down to 800. And now you see it's kind of getting that rejection right there. And it's back up, and then it kind of come down, and now it's going back up. So your old boy, I've learned a few things taking the mentorship. I'm just saying. It'll stop me. See, it'll stop me. There you go. Stop me out there on Santa. Now let's see if NQ Day Waves is going to stop out here. We'll see when NQ Day Waves decides to stop out. So that was over $1,000 trade on Santa right there. Now we'll see when NQ Day Waves wants to exit out. It does it all on its own, though, he who has. This is a fully automated trading algorithm that trades for me. I don't have to do anything. I can do something if I wanted to move the stop loss closer, or I wanted to manually exit the trade earlier. I could do that. That's why we can use it on prop firm accounts. User, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. $1,000 now on this NQ Day Waves. This is part of the premium algorithms. It is $1,500 a month for the premium algorithms, but you could see right there we were already at $1,100 at the high water mark in one day, one trade, and it's green over $8,000 on the year just on this one strategy called NQ Day Waves. So, TikTok comment award announcer, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. It is 1:20, about 40 minutes before FOMC starts. I don't know if Powell starts speaking at 2 or at 2:30, but I'm trading 5-second NQ manually. It's wild way up today. Yeah, Super Z, be careful. Cash Farmer, just email us, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com, or if you want the box seats algorithms for the special price of $250 for 2 weeks, $1,000 a month after that, email me the email up top on the TikTok, BoldBotInfo@gmail.com. Compatible with Top Step? Yes. Tick Trader, I don't know what that is, so I can't answer on that one, but yes, I do have a Top Step account as well as Apex, so yeah. Super Z is crazy. He's on a 5-second chart, manually scalping his way. Yeah, there were some big runs today, Super. You could have caught, depending on how quick you're moving your stop loss to trail it, I guess. I was in a long from, where was that? I was in a long from 1986, and it pulled all the way back down on me to like 19,727, and then I got long right there at 727, and it shot way up. So you sent me an email for information? Okay, man. Yeah, I'll send you the link as soon as I get done streaming. I don't think Lauren's going to come on. She's probably busy with her son. She's got a sick one, it looks like, as well. So let me turn the music up a little bit. Can you guys hear the music at all? There we go. Just need a little bit more volume in my ears. You're up 8K in the morning? Good job, Super Z. I'd shut it down, man. I would not risk any more for the day, that's for sure. Take your profits and go home. You locked it up. Good job, man. Yeah, I need can't wait to get my cash account back going here. Maria, stop it with the gifts. I appreciate you. Lightning bolt, lightning bolt. I'm not doing the NPC stuff, but I appreciate the gifts, Maria. Thank you very much. I appreciate that so much. Thank you for being here and tuning in. Over 2,500 likes, guys, and we're been live for half an hour now. I appreciate you. I only go live an hour a day now, showing you this fully automated trading algorithm. If you want more information, just let us know. Email us. I can get you the $250 for 2 weeks special with the box seats algorithms. Then $1,000 a month after that. You got to email boldbotinfo@gmail.com. I'll send you the links. So far on the day, NQ early 1-for-1 for 225. NQ new 1-for-1 for 350. And we got ES new that was up over 1,000 at one point. We got this NQ day wave, which is close to 1,000. So yeah, is this your full-time job? Pretty much for right now, yeah. You should do it more often if possible. We need your honesty. Yeah. $200 trial. How long is that for? So, Dina, it's $250 for the first 2 weeks, and then it's $1,000 a month after that for the box seats algorithm. All you got to do is email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com, and I'll get back with you on the link to that. All right. Box seats got out of there. Took about a $700-800 win. Now we'll see if Santa wants to come on. Right now, I just don't really have the time to go live much more. I wish I could. There's Santa. He's in a long, but it's moving down, so who knows. I'm just here to help you guys. Bulk, I got nothing to sell you, nothing to lie about. I mean, I want everybody to be successful and win here. I want everybody to get rich. Even if it was my product, I would make it affordable for everybody who wanted it. You know what I mean? I think it's very fairly priced, though, based on what other people try and sell a lot worse algorithms, try and sell theirs for. So let's see. What do we got? Nothing in a trade right now except NQ Big Bang's in a trade. Let's go switch over to him. That's ES. Let's go back over here to NQ. All right. NQ Big Bang is in a short here. Let's watch that. Good afternoon. Thank you guys for being here so much. Keep tapping that screen. Welcome in. Anybody who's new, my name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Or if you want the box seats algorithms for the discounted price of $250 for the first 2 weeks, email BoldBotInfo@gmail.com. $60, $50, $45, $30, 15, 95, 195, 95, 100, 100, now back down to 45, 45, 35, 35, 40, 40, 65, 75. I can't really do it that good, but it's fun to try. 130, 135, 140, 140. Do I hear 150? 155 now, 160. 165 now, 170. Do I hear 165? 130, 135 now, 199, 180. I can't. It's pretty fun to do that. It's pretty fun to try it. It's moving and grooving. Closer we get to when the Powell starts speaking, the more volatile and bigger wicks it's going to get. 2 minutes until the next candle opens on the 15-minute chart. We'll see if it's going to respect that 800 level like I talked about 35 minutes ago. Got down to 802. Hasn't broke below that. I told you it could bounce on that. And it sure enough has. Now it could run back up here to around 19,878 if it's going to go back up. And then that could be the completion of like a head and shoulders pattern, and then it could drop. But you never know. Be careful. This is not trading advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. To watch, me make a fool out of myself. Anyway, enough of that. Where's my... Okay. All my chats are lined up. We're here. $270 now on this Big Bang NQ short. This is another premium algorithm. This is on one mini contract on NQ on the futures market. If you want more information, all you got to do is email us. Thank you for all the likes, the shares, the follows, the gifts. I appreciate it. I really do. It is 130 candle, opening below that 800. So you never know. You never know. Going back downer, downer, downer. Let's see if it gets below this 19,780. If it breaks there, it did kind of break that, but it bounced on the PP. Anybody know what the PP is? It bounced on it. Don't get your mind out of the gutters. No. Don't go there, chat. Don't go there, chat. Robert, sorry I missed your comment earlier about that. Yeah, those two would have made $2,000 on one mini contract if I had ran both of them on live accounts. But I was done at 9:50 this morning with my trading. 10 o'clock-ish. I was done by 10, let's put it that way, this morning. So made my little $545, I think, on my Apex account, and I was done. Got to keep it within that, 250 to 600 range to keep the consistency rule in place, even though I think I might have went farther in my drawdown than I was supposed to. I did make it back up and ended green for the day, so I don't really care at this point because I need to build up like an $8,000 cushion before I request a withdrawal anyway, so it's going to be a while. Right, I run like 25 different strategies, and they all have a sim account associated with them through Replicanto, and the ones that I run live on my live personal accounts are usually the ones that are done in in the morning, like NQ new and NQ early. Every once in a while, I'll turn it on a micro on some of these ones that I show on stream, but usually I'm done because my manual trades are done in the morning, and the algorithms that I use on my personal accounts, they're done in the morning as well. So until I get more accounts going, I won't be trading live with these premium bots and algorithms until I have like more prop firm accounts, and then I'll be running them on micros throughout the day, all day long. But right now, I just don't have enough accounts built up to do that. But I do run them on sim just to show you guys what they do. So it doesn't really matter if it's live or not. I mean, the results are the results. It's not like it changes anything, but I hope that makes sense. I made my $545 on NQ early. It traded 1-for-1 for 225, and then I took a manual trade and made another 300. So you would be having them on my accounts, yeah, for sure. But the problem is the consistency rule for most of these prop firms. You have to find one that doesn't care about a consistency rule and lets you make as much as you want to make each day. And that's why cash is king. And once I get my cash account built back up, I can run these on micros and just let them go all day and make my 200-300 a day doing that. You know what I mean? Yeah, there's quite a few of them. There's like 10 strategies that are up over 6,000 for the year so far. So that's pretty good considering it's the third month. That means they're making like $3,000 a month on one strategy. So, all right, Big Bang took profit there. That's the other thing you got to be careful of on the prop firms is the drawdown, because that thing was up over 500-600 bucks, and then you saw it pull back. So that's another thing you got to kind of be careful of and watch out for. Let's see. Nothing on her. She didn't respond, so that's okay. She has a sick kid. I have a sick kid. Everybody has sick kids, it seems like, right now. It did kind of candle back down and dip just a little bit below the PP. That 19,786 is where it hardlined at. And that's the same place I think as earlier in the day, that candle. Let's see. Low was 19,788. The candle we're in, low is 19,787. So by 1 point, the candle we're in now wicked below the candle from 11 o'clock, just barely, which is kind of a good thing in a way, because that means if it does go back up to around 19,870, that could be the completion of that head and shoulders that I was telling you about, and then it could drop back down. I don't know. That's just what I'm seeing in the long term and the bigger picture of things, but you never know with FOMC. You never really know. On the bot trial, can we use that to get funded? Yes, Nicholas. Yes, you can. And then once you're funded, you can use it after that as well. That's the whole purpose of the algorithm, is for it to trade for you. So you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to stress over it. You don't have to watch it. You just turn it on, let it do its thing, and come back at the end of the day and see what it did. If you want more information, just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com, or if you want the box seats algorithm for $250 for the first 2 weeks, $1,000 a month after that, email me BoldBotInfo@gmail.com. I'll send you a link, or you can get it from the other email. But yeah, we're just here hanging out, having fun, waiting on this craziness that might happen at 2 o'clock. I might consolidate for this next 20 minutes until he starts speaking. If he starts speaking at 2. Otherwise, 2:30 I think is when he starts speaking. But it does get crazy around 2. So be careful. Watch out for that. I would get out of all trades, right? Meow. Would have all those on a cash account. Yeah, for sure. You could put 5, 6 different algorithms on the cash account depending on how big your cash account is. Did I get a haircut? Yeah, I cut it a couple days ago, Christine. Thank you for noticing. I appreciate it. How's it look? I know I'm going bald up top. That's why I got to... And I cut the gray out, you know. No more silver fox. It's not picking up the ladies. I have it already, but I'm poor. LOL, got some cash to pay for it. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it. I usually keep it kind of short like this. I don't like letting it grow out. It's just too much gray. I don't want to admit that I'm getting older. It's no fun. I can already feel it in the morning, so I don't want to look it with my haircut and the gray showing. And I'm not coloring it, so don't even go there. I'm not putting the Just for Men in. Not gonna do it. It wouldn't be prudent at this point in juncture. We've been live for 50 minutes, right? Meow. So, like I said, it's probably going to consolidate here for the next 20 minutes until 2 o'clock, and we'll see what happens at 2 o'clock. But I'm going to be watching from the sidelines. I am done for the day. I've been done since 10 o'clock. Dave, hello. What's happening? Good afternoon. I've been done since 10 this morning. We got anything in trades right now? ES box seats new is in a trade, and silver box seats is in a trade. But I would get out of everything. Right? Meow. I've been done since new ran. Yeah, me too, Dave. I got, well, actually, I was done before new started. I got that first NQ early trade and one manual trade, and I was done. I was way deep in my drawdown, though. But that 10 o'clock candle that shot up from the LIS, that saved me. So, why I don't want to be like the women? No, I'm not coloring my hair, Robert. Quiet. What is silver doing? Silver box seats is green 275 right now. I can show you on the Oracle chart, the old Oracle. Oh, didn't hide it. Hide. There we go. So it just shows you the entry point and the profit. It doesn't show you the take profit or the stop loss. Oh, where's it at? It's not even really moving right now. I don't know what's going on with it. That's weird. Anyway. That's strange. People are strange. People are... I had an early and new going today, and that's it. There you go. They both won, so you should be green. One mini contract, you'd be green. What is that? 575 ish. One mini would be green 575. One micro would be green 5750. Two would be. No, I don't know. I can't do math. Two micros would be $57. Anyway, whatever. Yeah, I think I have 4 micros running on both of those. So it's $2 a tick. I don't know what the math is. I just know they both won. And then I took one manual trade and I'm like, okay, I'm done. 500 some bucks on my Apex PA. I'm done for the day. Got to keep consistency, even though I broke the drawdown rule. So I got to wait at least 16 days now before I can take a payout anyway. But I'm just trying to build my buffer back up. So it doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter right now. Got to build the 8K buffer up first. That's just my personal preference, what I like to have built up before I take a withdrawal, but all right, Santa hopping in a short. We'll see what happens here. If it's going to go back down to this 800 level or what. Too many rules they have. Yeah, that's pretty much with almost all of them, though, Robert. I don't know a prop firm that doesn't really have any rules. I think they all have some type of consistency rules or something, right? But I don't know. They just had a flash sale, I guess, for 90% off. But it only lasted like an hour or something. Oh, yeah, you're talking about in general overall prop firms, yeah. Yeah, that's why if you can, cash is king. All right, we got 15-minute warning here, guys. If you're in trades, you might want to think about closing out of them here before things get wicked and wild on the wacky, weird, wonderful, wild Wednesday. I might have said wild too many times, but get out. Get out. Everybody get out of the trades. Cream. Wild. It's wild, man. I'm telling you, dude, it's totally wild. It's totally wild. It's about to get crazy. I feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. It's going to get crazy. These wicks are going to be insane. Yep. Yep. That's why we're exiting all positions. Exiting all positions. Abandoning ship. We're done trading for the day. We'll see if the algorithm catches it, but I'm going to get off here in a few minutes anyway, guys. What's today? Wednesday. I will be back tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Time. If you want to follow me on TikTok, on YouTube, on the Purple app. There's the TikTok going crazy with the puzzle here. All right, there's a puzzle solved. I'm still live. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, but nothing in a trade. So be safe. Exit all trades if you're manually trading. This is about to get wild. I will see you guys tomorrow, though. Same bat time, same bat channel. Make sure you follow Jen, follow Ben, follow Lauren. We do go live 5 times a day here on TikTok, On YouTube, we're live with Ben in the morning and then me in the afternoon. And follow me on the Purple app, swag_show_Kyle. That's Twitch if you didn't know. And I appreciate it. And that's it for now. Meow. See you mañana. Take it easy, guys.